In this video, I will show you how to change brightness on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now over here is my Skyworth Google TV, but this should work on even your Skyworth Android TV as well. Now basically what you want to do is to head over to the settings icon usually at the top right corner of your Skyworth TV, whether it's a Skyworth Android or Skyworth Google TV. Now from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to the display settings. If you're using the Skyworth Android TV, go over to device preferences and you should be able to see the TV settings or picture settings directly from there. In this case, you want to go ahead and press on the display and sound settings and then click on the picture settings over here. Now from here, you should be able to see the brightness level of your Skyworth Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and click on it and then increase the brightness by simply using the left and right navigation buttons to either increase the brightness, just as you can see over here, or to reduce the brightness. Going back to the previous option, you can go ahead and adjust the contrast, saturation and hue or sharpness of your Skyworth Smart TV as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.